Hello and welcome. I'm CP, and today I'll walk you through the process of registering for membership with Insurance Institute of India. To appear for any professional exams conducted by the institute, becoming a member is mandatory. The membership fee is 826 rupees inclusive of GST. Let's get started. To go to Insurance Institute of India website, we will search Insurance Institute of India on browser and click on the first link. And then we'll click sign up. In the screen name, we will enter the username that we prefer according to our name. Now enter your email address, your first name, your father's name in the middle name, and your surname in the last name. Now select your birth date. And set up a strong password. Enter captcha code and save. Now you'll be redirected to this page, and here you will enter your password and login. You'll also receive an email regarding the account creation. You must check your mailbox. Once you log in, you'll have to set up your security question. You can select the security question as per your preference, enter the answer, and then click save. Now you'll be redirected to this page, and this is the logged in screen. For professional exam registration, go to exam registration, the registration for professional exam. Now here, if you're registering for the first time and you have not appeared for any insurance exam other than the IC38, then you will click if no, click here. You'll be redirected to this screen. There you have to enter your title, first name, last name, your category, and your address. If your correspondence address and your permanent address are same, then click yes below the permanent address section. Now let's come to professional details. Enter your qualification, whether you are graduate or postgraduate, and the employer name. Enter other university, because most of the time your university name won't appear. Enter student in employer type section. Check if everything is filled, your email address, your phone number, and then click submit. Then in the next step, you'll have to upload your photo and your signature. The dimensions will be specified by Insurance Institute of India. For signature and photo upload, to customize the width and breadth of the photo, I used this website. If you are facing any difficulty in this step, feel free to comment, I will help. The next step is selecting the institute according to your city. If you are residing in Mumbai, then you can select Mumbai Insurance Institute. Now you will see all the charges if you pay using debit card or credit card. I recommend using UPI as it has zero gateway charges on fee payment. Click yes and click on UPI. A QR code will be generated. Scan the QR code and approve the payment. Your payment receipt will be generated. You can download it, and also a confirmation will be received in your email address. That's it, and feel free to reach out in case of any questions.